Hello Jubilee Line fans, I'm back from when I was in London. That's where I went. So we're going to be driving on this game again. I haven't done it in ages, so I need to try and remember all the keys. So we're gonna go to Stephen Flint, the shift supervisor. I'll do missions another time.
Ah, great to see you. Nearly all duty plans are still open. Let me know which shift is the most interesting for you.
Well, I'll let you know right now. Well, we're going to go into April, because it's April, and it's nice and sunny outside. Right. Thursday. And it's Thursday today anyway. We're going to be driving. No, we'll do... yeah, the 11-hour one. This time we're going to start at Flushing Main Street to Times Square Express. So we're gonna do a fast service. Okay, so weather when it's sunny, because it is actually really sunny here right now. Except start shift.
Grab a train and go. There's no time to lose.
I didn't know there was any time to lose. Maybe there's time to catch up on. Choose a difficulty. Regular. Well, I'm gonna let AI take over the shift. Right. So I'm going to turn on. Express. Times Square. There's D for the lights. Back in the cab. Brakes. So we have 3 minutes, in fact just less than 2, just over 2 minutes until departure, but I am going to time-lapse that so we can speed it up. So what I'm going to do is press tab to speed it up. So tab, 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 tab. Right. Still waiting. There's a stopper next to me. Yeah. Oh, train next to me's going. What the? That is so weird. That is so weird to see it like that.
We'll make a trip sometime this week soon.
What?
We will make a trip sometime this week soon.
Yeah.
Wow.
Some of these signals can be hard to understand sometimes.
All the lines have the same amount of stations. And they're all just about as busy, so I'm going to leave the trains off today.
Oh, damn, speeding. Damn. Right, there you go. Great, now I can't speed up. Right, well I've gone back to 16 mile an hour. I'll speed up to 30.
This is a Central Line train to Fuckbell.
What?
John,
Yeah?
what map are you playing on anyway?
I'm on World of Subways.
Which one, the new one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's boring sometimes though. I don't know about you, but I get pretty bored of it.
Yeah. I'm doing a video about it at the minute.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, don't you get bored?
Yes, I do.
Mind.
Looks like the game's updated because everything seems to be jumping about.
That's a good thing. That's not a good thing.
I guess it's meant to be like that because, you know, real physics. Okay, we're at Willets now. Willets station. And we're actually late. So yeah.
Not like you to be late.
I know. Only
How
but
very dare you?
what?
How very dare you? No, I'm only joking.
Right, so we just left the next Willets. Next stop. The next stop is. Just waiting for the thing to change now. Junction Boulevard. The new physics they put in is definitely better than the old ones. Makes it seem more realistic.
I've got the overground going at the moment. I'm going to extend the district line and de-extend it in the other way.
Oh, you're on Metro Sim, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's good about Express is that I can finish videos a little bit shorter. Sometimes you get to race some trains, but it depends on what the speed limit is. Something's telling me there's been an update, so you know that mission where it says where you haven't set the tail lights accordingly and that when you clearly have. Josh?
Yeah.
They must have fixed it.
Good.
And done a bit more improvements. It seems as if they have.
Now it's about time.
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh, come on. This isn't fair. Oh, I haven't even got enough tunnels. Oh, that's not good. That's not good.
Definitely is all I'm gonna say. Oh my god, how many people there are just... Why is there like so many people in one small area? What the hell? weird. There's just a load of people in a really small area. That's just really weird. It's quiet down the rest of the platform. It's quiet down the rest of the platform. Do you know what? This is what I still don't get. They haven't corrected the physics on when the doors have closed. Because the passengers still try to get on, and then when the train moves, they do, which is really weird.
The overground's gonna have to be descended again. District line will be as well. Sorry. There's things to fix.
Damn. Slow down. Oh, no, speed up. Oh, God, I must have read the thing wrong. Oh. I read it as 25 mile an hour. I think unless it did say that, because it said 25, and I was doing 27, and then it must have changed without me realising. Because I didn't see the little thing I didn't see the board on the track side.
Oh fuck. I just made a massive mistake.
Oh, 30. See that? I didn't realise that either. Looks like the train next to me is going. In a way, these trains look a bit like the Q stock.
Come on, this isn't fair.
Why? What's going on?
I'm getting extra stations to go to.
Better than nothing, really.
At the moment, that's how it's going to have to be.
I like how it goes when the train bounces when it goes over set points. Oh, 25, damn. I seem to miss something. What's annoying is that you got the fast line. It's only 25 mile an hour speed limit and the slow is 35. So that train over there is just moving now ahead of me. It's going to be going faster than me. Or it's doing the same speed as me, I can't tell. It looks like it's doing the same speed. Perhaps if I realised that 35 a little bit sooner, I'd have been ahead of it. Side. Oh, that train's already going. Another landline phone. That is annoying when the landline phone goes off and you're recording a game with a voiceover. If you don't have a voiceover, well, if you're not using a voiceover or going to use a voiceover, you're safe. like they're closed, so I guess it's moved. No, they were open. Oh, 30. I don't remember seeing any signs saying 30 mile an hour warning, so something's still not right, I don't think.
Oh my god.
I spot something on the ground, but I can't read it, but it said 40 because the thing's just gone up.
This is a London Overground train that's starting to get busy. Oh, we're doing the same speed as the train next to us. Oh, and I've got a red signal, so I have to stop now. Because of that train next to me. The Overground needs another train. What other line needs another train? The other line needs a carriage. Oh dear.
Maybe a bit weird stopping. Oh, never mind. What would be nice is seeing the points actually move, because the detail that TML Studios have actually put on the points are really good. Just that they don't move it's just that they don't move, and that sort of wrecks it in a way. Because you're thinking the quality is so good, but
Oh my days.
great, I've passed the red signal.
Oh dear.
It's really hard to try and see that. I saw a red dot and I thought, is that the signal? And I braked, and I couldn't see. I didn't actually notice it. Your shift ends here and then you'll return to the depot. I think I should try and play that again and see this time if I don't pass a red signal. I want to play that again, and this time try and. But I'm at the chief's office now. Right.
I'm speechless. Don't tell me you don't know the difference between a red and a green light. Is that really so hard? I don't want this to happen again. And now go and do your job.
He doesn't seem too happy. Who's this guy? Conductor. We'll do it again.
It's good you're here. I've a lot of work for you. Which shift is the most interesting for you?
The same one.
Good. That's your shift then. Drive carefully, but stick to the schedule.
Right, we'll have to do that again. So, regular. Yes. A. G. For the air supply. Well, the air vent supply. And then, turn that on. So. Looks really good. Is, well, of course, in this old subway stock, is that you're able to literally, even as a passenger, see exactly in front of you, like on the DLR, but and the well, not quite the Metrolink, but you can almost. Right, we better stay inside in case the guard locks us out. Conductor locks us out. Okay, so let's go inside. Close the door. Sit down. Yes, I could have just pressed N once I got into the cab. I can't be bothered to. Right. 2 minutes left to departure. So, let's get the train started up again. So, like that. So, yeah. I can't believe I didn't see that signal. It's not really a clear spot. They should invent repeaters for America as well, not just here.
Oh my god! These stations are coming out of nowhere!
Oh. Oh, that's not my train. Oh god, I forgot there was a train next to me. I thought it was my train. That makes a change. As the driver, you do not have the door key on, the conductor does. And if I wanted to be the conductor, which I don't want to be, that would be a really hard job. Oh, now we can go. Right, this time, try and pay more attention. I wasn't particularly happy with myself. So,
For God's sake!
let's go. I saw that this time. Great, now my train won't speed up quick enough. Oh, it is now.
Oh my days.
What's wrong?
Just got bigger.
Oh, I hope I didn't say it was Thursday today. Because it's Wednesday. God, what was that? Just sort of weird thing in my ear there. Or down my ear. Weird noise. You still there?
Yeah.
Good. So, we just passed one of the trains. We've approached the next station, which is Junction Boulevard. So far, we're at 35 miles an hour, about to come into the 20, so we'll start slowing down.
This is the overground train to...
Oh, a couple of seconds late. There's the signal. It's not hard to it's not easy to see.
Right, need stress.
See, I don't get this. It's like a massive bunch of people in a small area. Especially if passengers coming off. Looks like they're trying to walk into the seats just to get out of the train. Right. Oh, I thought I turned off the cab light. That's weird. this time I don't fail.
The overground's well busy. That's shocking.
Probably shoppers, Easter shoppers.
The central line's even getting busy.
What about the district?
District's not too bad. But it could do with another train. No, it couldn't. It's got two. Plenty. The overground's the worst at the moment. This is an overground train too.
This is the London Overground service to London Euston. The next station is Queen's Park. It's like sort of like that. Well, not quite.
This train is about to blow up. Please take care of my train. I hope you enjoyed your death.
Wow.
Stupid deaths. Hope next time it's not you.
What?
Stupid deaths. Hope next time it's not you. Stupid ways to die on the airplane. Stupid in general.
Sort of like that. Going over points that are scratched.
Right. Give me a second, John. I'm just gonna go somewhere.
Okay. So guys watching on YouTube, you may be thinking of all the subways. I think this happens in real life as well. Oh, damn. Strangely, the fast line tracks are more dirtier and scratched than the stopping. I guess it's because more braking's involved on the stopping one. Slow train gets to go ahead of you, but luckily I managed to get ahead of it this time, only by a couple of meters. Seconds late again. Right, I'm not sure what's going to happen this time. I hope I get to go ahead of the stopper train, because that's how express train should be organised. Always be express in front of stopper, not express behind stopper. So, there's not a lot going on outside. But this game is available to buy both on Steam and on Just Trains' website. I'll link them in the description. If there isn't a link, so say in the comment that you didn't put the link, and I'll put the link in the description. If you haven't put the link. Up to 40 miles an hour. We got as far as Queen Sorrow, but Queen Sorrow play, oh god, Platts or whatever it's called, or however you say it, I can't remember how you say it. But yeah, unfortunately I couldn't see that signal that was mounted towards the canopy on the station, so. If anything, those two signals should be yellow, not green, and not green and yellow. Again with the points, they look really good. The quality, but there's no simulation in it, animation. What's weird is that I don't see where the speedometer is. The only thing I see is the brake gauge. Right, this time I have to spot that signal. Right, we're going to stick to 15 miles an hour this time. We're going to go a little bit more slower so I can spot it. Ah, I see it. Right. Oh, it's changed. Yay. This time I actually did see it. What about this one? we're late. We're meant to be ahead of that stopper, I think. Yeah, we are. Right. Looks like another train above me is going as well, in the opposite direction. It sounds as if it is. You actually get animated traffic passing, so... Oh, shh! No! Oh my god. I can't believe I didn't spot that. Oh no. Right, I'm gonna end the video there. After that guy shouts at me again. I can't believe... Second time I've done that now. Oh my god. I wonder what he's gonna say. I hope he's not gonna fire me. Let's see.
What were you thinking? The signal was on red. You should have seen it. Out of which window are you looking? I count on it that it won't happen again. Right, and now off you go. Not bad at all, but there's still room for a little improvement. There's room for improvement, I'm sure you know. You know your weaknesses, so work on them. That had to be said.
Oh, and the firefighter is there. Right, I'm going to end the video here, Jubilee Liners. And, facing the wall. Right, and next video should be up soon. Ta-ra.